Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. This is the simple inventory billing system using Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. Okay, you can see here, you enter the product ID. So I'm going to enter the product ID. Product name I'm going to enter as TV. Quantity 2. Price I'm going to give it as 30,000. Click add button. Here you can see that product has been added successfully. I am going to buy another product 002, that is a fan. Quantity 3, price would be 2000. You can see that product has been added successfully. Now if you want to add another product, you can name it as washing machine. Wash just one. Quantity 1, 10,000. Click added. Okay, these are the products we have added. All the things are clear. Now I'm going here, this we have to pay the bandy payment. Here the payment is here. We have to pay the payment, so you write it to pay it. Now you can see that you have to pay the balance. Now that's success. It will be change it as a grid. This how we are simply make the inventory management system. Okay, a simple system how to make step by step. I'm going to teach. Okay, very simple. This is a system. Okay, so here so this how the we have worked with the inventory management system. Okay, use this complete system I did in Tailwind CSS. So all the things that we have done in the Tailwind CSS, all the UI part. After that, validation part have made it as a JavaScript. Okay, thank you for watching.